Okay. Welcome everyone. So put this here.
Morning, Max.
Morning. How you doing?
I'm alright. I paper traded that gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I fucking paper traded that bite.
Jump back into the higher time frame
sorry.
Dollar
Hold on a
domination,
second.
and if we don't
Listen
retest
to
these better sell zones, dollar domination, VIX turning bullish, global.
I don't know why that started. Yeah, I jumped in. I paper traded that, and I paper traded it yesterday from 42 on the 1 minute. Yeah, so there's two really nice trades that I've taken. But
beautiful. That's good though. It's good stuff.
I'm trying to paper trade a bit more.
For sure, man. There's no need to not doing it. It's annoying like when it works out, but it's just getting the data, man.
Yeah, it's like when I'm trading with my account, I kind of hesitate too much.
Yeah, 100%.
So I'm just trying to kind of get used to taking the trades.
Exactly. The only reason why you're hesitating is because you don't know exactly how many times this is going to work or not because you haven't paper traded it. So once you start paper trading and you're like, wow, this works fucking 80% of the time, then you easily take them without any hesitation, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this was the 5-minute trend line. I was watching it. My only cause of concern was it was a bit annoying. If this was like this, if this line was a little bit steeper, like that. So this kind of closed above, then I kind of wicked down a bit, and then we could get it. It was great. The only issue is that if you wanted to get in on the trend line,
it pulled down quite deep, didn't it?
Yeah, it pulled down quite deep, so you could have got in there, and that would have made the R a bit better because if you got in like there,
yeah.
So there you could be at 8 pips profit, and your stop loss could be 13, so that would be break even then, and then you can see that it obviously pushes. But the issue is that if you got in there, your TP is your first res is 5 pips. I didn't think it was enough. But in terms of the closure back above, yeah, after it just launched, then obviously the next TP would be here. Just tap.
Yeah.
So it's good for people who took it. Well done. Just for me, this was a bit too small. This zone to the first TP. So.
It sounds muffled. Oh shit. Sounds no so good. Okay, 1 second. Let's see. Wait, is that better? Now it's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Okay, yeah. So GJ Goldie's closed above, very very nice. Came to the high, which is good. In terms of yesterday, yeah, we ranged pretty much the whole day. We pushed down. Sorry, it was very very nice for the sells. And then we messed around and then just launched at 2 o'clock. Wow, look at that candle. Madness. I was trying to find a W, but there's quite a big W here. And then we just flew back up, which is interesting. So it looked like it did wait for stuff.
Had an entry there at that push.
Yeah.
No, using the black dead.
Yeah.
All the way from there. Yeah. Not that line that I drew, but straight.
Yeah. That one there? Or
No.
this one?
No, sorry. Yeah, from that point there.
Like that?
No, from there. Yeah.
There's one there actually. Yeah, hit the bottom as well. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. That was a stinker, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so in terms of Goldie today, yeah, I mean the buys are they're still in this zone, right? If you take a look at the daily time frame, we're still approaching this level, which is rather annoying, right? This support was a pain in the ass to break, so the resistance could be a pain in the ass to break as well, which we've already kind of found out and realized. That's okay. So let me just mark this up. Yeah, yesterday, guys, we took a gold sell, which is a beautiful trade. Unfortunately, we could not get our 15 to 17 pips that we wanted. It went to around about 9 pips, and then messed around. It finally continued after COMEX open, but it took its time. Okay, so 30-minute time frame, looking like gold right now. So the 4 hours bullish. Daily's bullish, hasn't broke the previous high yet. There's obviously 4-hour resistances here, so we've got to be a little bit cautious. In terms of buys, let's take a look at where there's any clean zones. Yeah, there's still no clean zones, right? Because what I mean by this is, look, this is current resistance. Here. Next support, well, maybe you'll be able to fill up there. This wick already kind of pushed into, but it's kind of here, right? So that zone, that zone's actually not too bad. How big is this zone? 1 second. Actually, it's a 50 pip zone. It's actually quite a big zone. It looks much smaller.
Yeah.
So that's not bad. For Goldie. So potentially closure above 1662 would be quite nice to fill that zone up. How does that look like in the 30 and the 15? Yeah, it looks okay. 15 had rejection here. 15 closure could be quite nice to continue bullish. And that'd be whilst it's breaking the daily highs. So that could be okay. In terms of when price got there the next time, yeah, it pushed up quite quickly to that level. So I think buys above could be okay. $1,661.6, beautiful stuff. And in terms of runners after that, yeah, we've got a lot of traffic after, really. We've got a lot of traffic after. We've got 1671 would be the next zone. So yeah, not too bad for the buys. Maybe later on. Is that trend line still in? Looks like it might be. Yep, nice. I think it might be good now.
18 pips on the run.
Yeah, this could be quite good now. If it gets above 1661, you've got another 50, 60 pips there.
Yeah.
Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, we'll see about that. But I'm still a bit cautious about this daily area. But we'll see. We'll see what candles it gives us. In terms of sells, yeah, sells are hard, man. I'm trying to think of this clean candle here. For the most part, it's quite rangy to the left, apart from that candle. So, yeah, maybe breaking of Asian lows to continue back down to 1646, maybe. But it wouldn't be my favorite trade. But this is a little gap, so it's quite nice. But for the most part, the left-hand side after that is pretty bad. But maybe some risky sells below. Just because of the way it moved yesterday. Like that. Let's take a look at the sells further below this level. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, it'd probably be below here, 1638. Below 1638 would be the nice drop, right? 1638, it's priced when it breaks 1638, it comes all the way down to 1628. So that's good for the sell. So there's much nicer sell zones below than buys, I'd say. But you just get what you're given. It still looks like we're bullish, so yeah. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Okay, so in terms of GJ, just get rid of all of this. Daily time frame, right at the highs. The daily actually closed bullish above. So it looks like this day should really continue up if we want to. So that's nice. I'm a bit pissed off that it hasn't pushed far yet, because I don't really want to take the buys and the highs. But anyway, let's take a look at the 4 hours. So 4 hour time frame closed bullish above. Then it looks like we've made a little bit of support, and this next 4 hours closed bullish. The 4 hour closed right at the previous 4 hour res, so right at this resistance. So there is a big resistance at this level. Take a look at the hourly. What does it show? Well, it shows a very big range. A lot of resistance at this level. Why? Well, it's at 170, right? 170. I'll be surprised if we break 170, to be honest with you. I just don't think the GJ has the strength to break 170. But if it does, great. But I will not be participating in the buys there. They're too risky in terms of rejection. So what I'm going to wait for is I'm going to see price, close above, amazing. And I'm going to wait for the price to, launch if it wants to. And then I'm going to wait for some support to form later on. Because I just don't want to, I want to avoid the fake out. Okay. They continue back up. Yeah. So I just want to, if I get that push, great. But I don't think I'm going to be participating in it much. Because I still can see that there's a clear resistance up here. In terms of sells, probably a closure back below. Yeah, closure below would be quite nice, I think. So that would be quite a nice closure below. Maybe here. Or maybe here. Yeah. I actually wouldn't mind these sells because the zone below is quite clean, so... And it's a closure back in the zone. And we know with sells as well, we push quite heavy, so... That should be good. There we go. So then, now we're going to just wait. So for the buys, we get a nice push, great. I don't think I'll be jumping in. Just because of this high res. Goldie looking like it's continuing, which is nice. Yeah, I'll show you the trade we took yesterday. We took this trade. So price came down. Here, price came down. Then I waited for the retest. Okay, then this 50-minute time frame closed bearish. Next one broke the low. I took a sell on the break of the low. Stop loss above. Like that. Price went to around about 10 pips, but I wanted it to push a little bit further to this next level, which is around about 20. And we couldn't continue, unfortunately. It did it eventually after. But yeah, I had to make a little double top. Some people got in on the double top. There's a nice 1 minute M. Look here. Which was very cheeky. This one here. So that worked out pretty good. But yeah, just one of them things. So I think I've had 2 break-evens this week. Or maybe 3 break-evens. So yeah. Let's take a look at EJ. EJ looks cleaner today. I don't think it does, to be honest with you. The 30-minute time frames look big resistance. The hourly time frames have all closed weak bearish. Doji candles, so big bottom wick, big top wicks. The zone above, though, however, the 4 hour looks okay. Yeah, 4 hour looks good, actually. That's true. terms of the left-hand side, how big is this zone from there to there? Yeah, 14 pips, 13 pips the next res. Finn, is that Finn in the chat? Should I buy or sell cut? It's definitely Finn, isn't it? That zone above for buy is looking good. Wait, on EJ? Or GJ? Yeah. How much would it be there? Let's take a look. So 770, that's 750. Maybe about 750 would be a bit nicer, to be honest. This zone's not really the biggest zone. 12 pips, stop loss would be like, yeah, 12, maybe 1-to-1. Gold buy is looking good. Yes, indeed. You're just going to find a way to get in. People who are in the 5-minute trend line should be happy. Continuing.
Yeah, I kept myself silent because this was a tricky one. But on the 30-minute, if you push the first line in 30 minutes from the top at 70.92-ish, that wick, and then push it down, and then you adjust it on the 15 minutes and adjust it on the 5, so you have the line touching at the wick at 62.30. You'll see that it broke above, came down, and then closed above the trend line again. Retested it. I took, when it retested and flipped above the candle, I took the entry at,
on the 5
yeah,
minute.
on the 5. 59.15 is my entry.
Yeah, beautiful. We'll just have to remain support. Also for the fact that price came down and retested the Asian highs. I like that retest in the 30. Yeah. That was quite nice.
Yeah. That's why it gave me more confidence to take the break of the 5-minute when it broke above the trend line again.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. In terms of
15 pips now.
Nice. In terms of how far this is running though, I don't know. Let's take a look. So we've got a minute left for this 50-minute candle. The only thing that I see right now is if this closes above, retest there, stop loss below. Stop loss would be 25 pips. Zone's big enough though, so.
You get the retest, say if we close now above that that buy area that you want. If you get the retest there, how much is the stop there?
26 pips, yeah, I just went. Yeah, 26 pips. Yeah, boy. Holy shit. Goldie. Goldie. How do you use Asian range? You just gotta look, boy. If you break Asian highs, great. If it rejects the Asian highs, great. It just gives you extra confidence for where price is gonna go. Oh, GJ is starting to come down a little bit over here. So 38 seconds left. I think this maybe pushed a bit too far. But we'll see. We'll see how far it pushes down. Might even be able to get in on the flip if it has enough volume. Maybe. 1664. Yeah, this is running, boy. Where could we continue to as well? Let's take a look. 1666. So we'll see if we can get a push down. I don't know though. I think it may just go here. It's very bullish, but we'll see. Breaking the highs already. To be honest with you, if it clears this zone, I'll be very happy as well, because the left-hand side isn't the nicest. Nice, Tom. Let's take a look at the 15. Beautiful. So yeah, looking like GJ's rejecting these highs. I held it through Asian as well, so it's a big resistance. Big resistance. God, that gold trade yesterday was such a shame. Bro, just a couple more pips. It's mad how it didn't break the 30-minute lows, but on my MetaTrader, it was well past it.
Yeah, they did the same on mine.
Yeah. The re-entries would have been probably Comex with a 26 pip stop. That was the decent one, I think. Three minute. Let's take a look. That's just a break and retest. I like it. I even like that on the 30, to be honest. But it's already hit the res, so. Look at Goldie. GJ's still not doing anything, but yeah, I mean, below, if we do get a closure below, I think I'd want this a little bit lower now, looking at the hourly. So look at the 30, obviously this is support, but I want it below these levels, because if you get it below, then you're closing back in the zone. So look at the hourly now. Yeah, I need it below here. So below like 320. That is what I want. Oh, Jason's here this morning. Jason. So yeah, for people who are interested there, I was waiting for this lower wick for this one here to get that retest. If it gave me it, but unfortunately it's just ran, boy. It's ran.
Max, I only took it on paper again when it retested the Asian high.
Yeah.
But I guess that wasn't right for you. There was no valid entry at that point.
No, there's no valid entry because it's a nice retest.
Just a chance you trade, huh?
Well, I mean, it's. Do you know what I would have liked a little bit more if this 30 closed above there and a bit stronger. That's all, because the 30 had. You know what I mean? If 30 closed like this, then it's closed above my first resistance, then the next one could come down, tap me in, and then we can reflip and continue. So, yeah, I just didn't really like how this already came to the highs and rejected, because it could be a double top then. So, but it's still a reasonable one because it's the retest that area just broke out of. So, it's a good example, good option. I just wanted that to close a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
15 closed above, but then it closed back below. That's all.
Yeah. I hope I can do this when I'm trading with my money.
Just take your time. There's no rush.
Yeah.
Keep with them. So yeah, 1662.9. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame now. Yeah, it should fill the zone of 1666 really. The only cause of concern, as I said, is this daily level now, which is just tapped. So I will not be getting in there. I will not be getting in there. How many times did it tap 170? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times? Yes, it's tapped quite a lot. So I do think if we get a closure below, we're gonna be looking good. I need to actually write this on over here. 101. Did that break even also get into quite a lot of profit as well? I think it did. It got into about 6 or 7. So this is a resistance forming. So a onion got in on the break of the previous 15. Stop loss was 14 pips. 0. Should I close sell? For what chart? You should know if you're gonna close, right? If you're in a trade, let me just do this over here. Right. Let me just do this. So the question is, should I close? You got in and a buy at 16.59. Have you taken any off yet? That'll be the first thing. But I think taking some off here is a good example because it's right at the daily resistance. Yeah. But once you get into a gold trade, right, or any sort of trade in any chart, you're putting your hard-earned money on the line, right? If you don't know where to close, it's a serious issue, right? You've got to be able to know when to close before you enter the trade. Okay? So if you don't know where to close, even if you get a great trade and a great entry, you might actually lose the trade or get break even because you don't know where to close. You haven't looked. So when you're in a trade, before you get into the trade, you need to know where to take profits, where levels you could be taking profits, or it's useless taking the trade. It's just like trading in the dark. You need to know when to take your profits. You need to know when you take your profits. Very important. Very important. No losses all month. Sheesh. Yeah, man. There's been not in London. Not in London. So yeah, bit of a shame we couldn't get that retest, but it's okay now because that daily level is going to be tough. Yeah, so I think on my account I'm hitting around about 20%, 21 because there's some trades that I couldn't call. But for the most part, every single one that's called, around about 16% so far this month. And it's been pretty much, we haven't really seen much reds, like, at all. Like, even in terms of being in a trade, we've been pretty much zero drawdown for a lot of them, which is good. So Q4 started nicely, as it did last year. You know, last year Q4 was very good for me. So yeah. Did Wick Stein take a trade in Asian? Was there any trades that he could have taken on Goldies? Take a look. I've been a support foreman. He took a sell? Ooh. What time? Any negative months, bro? No, I think there was one bad month, maybe like a 4%er, but no, never a negative. Opening of the 4 hour. Oh, he took a 4 hour trade. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I think a lot of people, I think especially for people who have been trading for a while, if you are, you know, trying to buy these highs, you gotta know that it is a big resistance and it could be a little bit of trouble. So the best thing you could do really is just wait for the push, right? Wait for the push. Same kind of thing as up here, right? You know how this was resistance, right? Price pushed up, but this here was a pain in the ass. You probably would have got break even anyway, but eventually did push. And then you wait for the support to form, and then you probably take the buys back up. I know this is still a bit shocking, but it was at 4 o'clock, so... But maybe this trade there, 18 pip stop, back to the high, 22. Okay? So there's normally always a trade after the push. What the fuck is all this Afrikaans in the chat? The fuck does fuck weg mean? Is that how you say it? Fuck weg. That's definitely something derogatory. Fucking Finn's typed it. In terms of news today as well, we've got some Euro news at 9 AM and then some CAD news later on. So it's actually not too bad of a day, really, in terms of news, which is good. That makes life easy. I've got my Halloween costume for the weekend and being a hippie.
You're being a hippie, man?
Yeah, boy.
What's that got to do with Halloween?
Bro, Halloween isn't... It's so American now. If you went on night out,
Fancy
nothing
dress.
scary. Yeah, it's just fancy dress.
Okay. You're not a zombie hippie.
Nah, fuck that. I'm being a full hippie with a dude in my hand.
The dude. Yeah, you got to take that, man.
Yeah.
That's essential, right? Part of the outfit.
Yeah, exactly. Full hippie. We're going out 2 nights, and Caitlin's like, "You need another outfit for the second night." I'm like, "Bitch, no, I'm using 2. I'm using hippies both night. Hell yeah! I'm not spending more money on a fucking thing. Just being yourself, then, Max. Lol." So that'll be fun. Yeah, man, this Goldie at this level now is a bit meh. It's a shame with that 5 in it there. Ah, that'd be gorgeous. It's the zone, man. Give me more room.
Yeah.
Goes after that 50 bullish anyway. Yeah. Just one of the things. Some people go for it, some people don't. But as long as you break even at the res, which they were, then you know it's good stuff. It's when you don't get break even at the res, and then you're in some difficult stuff. What the fuck are you guys saying in the chat? I'm gonna copy this shit and go and Google Translate.
On the 1 minute, it did actually eventually come back, and when it retested that high, it was perfect, pretty much perfect retest.
Retest, yeah.
At 1 minute, there's like this tiny little 1 minute candle that just literally tapped it.
Mhm. Look at Sashin said in the chat about fucking Hein. Hein treats his account like a Saturday night. My god. There's quite a lot of Afrikaans people here. Not Afrikaans, South African. So yeah, looking like Goldie's just hit it. It's pretty much to the T, all these wicks. Oof. So yeah, that might be good. I mean, hopefully we can get a couple days where it just breaks past this zone from 1680 to 1660s, blast past up it, and then we can take some nice buys above. You mind if I call you Max? Well, it sounds like Max anyway, but I don't know what the difference is. Mac attack. So yeah, I mean, 7:30, and we'll have to see on GJ. But that daily time frame closing bullish is a good indicator. It should go up though eventually today. A Mac is an American slang like a pimp. Return of the Mac. Ah, yes, I love returning the Mac. Return of the Mac. Once again. So I've ordered my little box to see how it is. See if I can recommend it. I'm gonna get an affiliate link, man. I'll get that guy like fucking 400 boxes. The football last night was hilarious. Man City, Borussia Dortmund. At the end, they just stopped playing because Borussia Dortmund needed the point and Manchester City were already top. They literally just didn't do anything. Oh, we got another subscriber over here. Thank you for subscribing, Jeff Kim. Also, guys, make sure you send me some charts and let's take a look at some charts maybe that you've seen. Was there some actually recently? Sell zone or buy zone. This is the hourly time frame on GG. Yeah, that buy zone above looked nice. Hey Max, new here, nice hoodie. Does it come in men's? You guys on smoke today?
Salud, Capitanas.
Hello, Mr. Jason. Good morning.
Hello, hello.
Morning, man. Morning.
Morning. How you doing, eh?
Oh, man, I'm good, man. YouTube was so much fun.
I was watching you guys have fun.
Yeah, it's fucking on the chart, so we might as well have fun.
Yeah. Did you guys get the gold buys or not?
Nah, we didn't take it, but
Fuck
it's
no.
4 hour race.
It's the what?
Yeah, 4 hour is
4 hour race.
4 hour.
Yeah, it was close. Actually, it was actually even closer to the 5 minute. Yeah, it was. It was actually 16. If you got in there, 16:56.
Ben almost
Yeah,
took
it's
the
right
break and retest. Ben almost took the break and retest of the Asian highs, which would have worked.
Yep.
But just because.
Yeah.
Hi.
If you missed the retest, then yeah, you could have gotten the salary, but like Brian said, the 4 hour race. And if you should ask yourself that question, out of 20 times, how many times will I take this trade? How many times will it work?
Exactly. 100%.
17.
Fuck that.
Exactly. Yeah, that's a good thing, though. That's a good thing, Jace. 100%. If you do it 1,000 times, how many times is it going to work? You know, it could work out this time, but most times it's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass. Probably the 4 hour res is strong. Still look at GJ. GJ's doing nothing. Do you guys agree? Do you guys agree with me on this? If we do break up though and make some support, maybe get the buys later on.
I was saying to Sash, like I believe it. I do think it's going up some more.
Yeah, me too.
But I ain't going there, bro.
Nah,
touching these levels.
170 is a big.
The last time we were up there was Feb. So
yeah, 100%. Well, we just gotta sit.
we all got the same zones on GJ anyway. We're waiting for something to pop. So,
Yeah.
Breakout.
Yeah, I
There
mean,
was no
maybe the closure back
intervention
below would be
yesterday.
alright. Huh?
There's no intervention yesterday, which was weird.
Dude. Oh my god, PSG 7-2? What? 7-2?
Sure, but I thought GJ on the 4 hour. When did that candle happen? Where was I?
Where?
That crazy candle down.
Oh, like,
That was the intervention.
yeah.
Oh, was that? Oh.
This one down here.
Bro. That was some crazy fucking shit there.
Where did Roger take his trade? My guy just held with the PM. It's good. It's good though. I think he got in
Yeah, I mean,
Somewhere down there.
somewhere down there and
My
just
guy
held
got
it.
a mango farm.
My
guy,
he just held it, didn't
mango
he?
farm, bro.
Oh no, it wasn't there. It was somewhere here. The fuck was it?
Oh my days.
You got like 100 pips from. Yeah.
Brian, what fucking photo? What photo did you just use?
It was 16808 or something.
me.
16808. Oh here, yeah.
It's my background actually.
Star Wars, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Wait, where?
My Zoom picture. Since did my old picture shit, so I thought I'd just get a fucking cool comic picture because you guys all like Marvel. Because you guys all like Marvel characters. Okay.
Yeah, you're the one that slags off all the time. Ooh,
Yeah, so
that's your baby.
I'll just join the team and like fucking Marvel pictures now.
The next thing that I'm gonna buy for Christmas is a display cabinet to start putting my Lego shit in. Hell yeah. Display cabinet. Ah, fuck.
Put your Lego in.
Put my Lego in. Display cabinet,
That's
boy.
wow.
It's the start of the man cave. My man cave, when I'm old, is gonna be so sick. I'm just gotta start making it now.
How do you know you're gonna live for in the next 10 years? Yo.
I do, but if I die, then someone else can have it.
Oh. You
You,
stop
Jason.
making some praise, bro. Is it
See
for
if,
real?
you can, see if you can buy like Perspex boxes, Max, that have an opening on one side. Then you build like cubes. You know what I mean? You put them, you just get the sizing right.
Yeah. I think that's what I'm thinking of.
You don't buy like an actual cabinet. You know what I mean?
Mommy had a cabinet one back in the day with the old Lord of the Rings, and it looked fucking sick. Yeah, it was just dope.
Perspex.
I ask him now, and he goes, "They're in the loft." I go, "In the loft? Oh, can I have them?" Gold is bullish, man. Selling gold is risky. Yeah, gold, especially at this level, is gonna be a little bit. I mean, this is. I was thinking buys above, but when you look at the daily time frame, it's not good. It's no good. Huh?
Not looking good, bruv.
Not like a good buff, because look, if
Gosh, 4 hour level.
it's coming up to a what?
Shit 4 hour levels.
Yeah. And it's your daily level here, look.
So bad.
Held at daily support for fucking days. Weeks, it looks like, even. So... we just gotta be patient.
It's fucking stuck here, though. Fuck.
Yeah, this week's been pretty boring, eh?
Been alright.
You
Yeah.
know what else was stuck last night?
You what?
You know what else was stuck last night?
What?
You don't wanna know.
Jason's Becca in a fucking vending machine.
Becca.
Actually own like 3 of them, eh?
You own vending machines?
Yeah, like 3 of them.
Wait, what fucking South African pays for a vending machine? They just fucking smash it up. Get some packet of crisps. What do you have in it, Jace?
It's just some snacks, man, at the hospital. So, you know, people...
Hospital. That's good. Mate, you should give them that for free, man. That's haram.
For free? You don't even get a knife for free in this life, bro. You don't even get some 6 for free in this life. How can you? No way, man. There's a time when you give.
Yeah, me and Caitlin are joining a charity, I think. What?
Oh, sorry.
Same, yeah, me and Caitlin are joining a charity for alcoholic parents.
Oh god.
Yeah. So we're gonna do some running thing next year. Oh yes, 22 miles.
Have you checked Andrew Tate, my bro?
Check Andrew Tate.
My nigga's a Muslim now.
He's on what?
Yeah, he's
niggas
convinced.
Muslim now.
Is he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, where are you living, bro?
I don't really watch him, to be honest. M formation on gold on the 5. Let's take a look. Oh.
I closed my runners
Nice.
because of the weird spot it is now.
There's a little M formation. Hasn't really found its I mean, 15 close bearish, so maybe. Have you seen this, Bri?
Yeah, we are looking at it.
Yeah. Want it probably to close back below this. Let's look at the 50.
Possibly, you know, because you have you have the salary candle as a TP or partial.
Yeah, 100% right there. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On Wick stream we took sells, but I was peeping the 1 minute chart and got the buys. Wait, what? You take the sells and you took the buys. Did he take the 4 hour close? Yeah, the 4 hour closes on Goldie seem to be not the best recently. I think it was that one there, innit? Yeah. The only issue with that 4 hour close is that it hasn't closed below this support. So it's still quite a big zone. Yeah. EJ still doing anything yet? Nope. Have you taken any trades this week, Jason? Since you've been away?
Fuck off.
Fuck all, yeah. Yeah. That one trade yesterday was a shame. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Is Jason at work?
No, he's getting arrested. So we won't be seeing Jason for a while. He's out of here.
The joint Elohe. My guy goes yesterday, oh, I just had to drive the kids to the school. I'm like, what? I swear you lost your license like 2 days ago. Oh, no, I fixed that. Oh my god.
Where does he live?
What?
Where does Eloy live?
He lives in Portugal.
Oh, then it's no problem at all. Fuck shit. You can drive. Oh my god. Do you see the amount of times you see the popos on the road when you drive? Absolutely zero. Since COVID came to Portugal.
But you just got pulled over though.
I kid you not. Since COVID came to Portugal, 99% of road stops that they would do, they stopped doing. Stopping in roundabouts and random spots just to put people aside, that completely stopped. Like since COVID, oh my god, yeah, I'm amazed you got stopped. Jeez.
So this one on the 1 minute, this is actually kind of a W. This is quite nice. You got in at the right place, at the neckline. You got risk-free to the next res, which is this one here, beautiful. And then, yeah, I think either TP there or TP there. There's a lot of TP areas, very nice. Is that what it looks like? Oh no, this is a different trade. Oh no, it's not. Ah, this is where it made the W in the 1 minute. Very nice. Yeah, good work. Very nice. Oh my god, Brian, on the sim yesterday, there was a fucking W on gold, and it ran 120 pips in 5 minutes.
Mental.
Ah, it's class. It's beautiful. Racket.
Oh, fuck you, Goldie.
Yeah, I wasn't having that, man.
Yeah, it's... I don't know how far it's gonna come up with this daily.
You're still in your buys, Manuel?
No, I
closed them.
I was looking at this formation. It looked like an M. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Motherfucker.
You guys don't trade silver? No, I don't think so.
I think Vincent does from time to time, I think.
Yeah.
Vincent trades fucking bears, wolves, deer, silver,
Yeah.
gold,
Insane,
GU.
With the neighbors. I got a bear, I'll trade you back.
I just like I can picture him being at the wilderness or like loads of like snow everywhere and him like fucking shooting a deer whilst fucking clicking buy on GU.
With a bow and arrow.
With his
two salmon in his back.
With his fucking laptop next to him and magic keys. He's just like taking them. Hi, could you check my EJ analysis, please? Sure thing. Let's take a look. Okay, this is EJ. Beautiful. You identified a zone above 147,800. 43 pips. Yep. Gorgeous. And cells below could be quite nice too, yeah.
Hey, boy.
Man, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Jason.
Look. Shit, is my camera on? Just look here. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see you.
What are you stealing now?
Yeah, he's going to jail. He's going to jail. See, they're going to take your fingerprints.
What is it?
They're going to pick up all the fucking shit you've stolen in your life, and they're going to fucking lock you in.
What is it?
He's got to have his fingerprints taken.
Why?
Felon.
He's robbed too many radios.
He's stolen too many gas bottles from the people there where he lives.
I'm in gold buys. Very nice. Where's your target for gold buys? Should be 1666, but I do think that if you're in gold buys, please be break even because it could probably reject at any point here. Come on, GJ, break 170 for the first time this year. Alright, yeah, it didn't do it for very long enough to before. We shall see.
Yeah, GJ flipped the 4 hour again.
Yeah. It's annoying that the 4 hour closed right at the res. That's a bit of shit. But the daily should go.
I can't really put the daily flip line on my chart.
Why?
Because one candle closed at 69.17, and the other candle opened at 594.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a big difference.
Well, the only thing I have is the 4 hour flip.
Very nice. Is there any 5 minute trend lines below? Yep. There's one there and there's one there. This might be a little bit too steep. That could be alright for later on, maybe. maybe. just chucked 0.5 on gold for TP1 at 1655. Wait, what? You just took a sell? Hell no. Not yet. Are you waiting on the 1 hour close for gold? I'm just waiting for gold to give me any options, right? I don't like the buys, so buys are irrelevant. So the more it pushes up, the less interested I am. For sells, maybe back below, but it's going to be a while. I think maybe sells back below 1660 maybe. Is that below that 4 hour again? Yeah, it is there. Maybe even further below 1658. How does this look? Yeah, that's probably better because also the 50-minute made support on it. So probably a closure below 1658, then continue back down to 1655. But the buys I'm not taking because of the higher time frame. Simulation worked well yesterday. Later on, I much enjoyed it. Much more enjoyed it.
I'll watch it menu.
Yeah, to be honest with you, the session was actually pretty shit because June was pretty ass at the end of that. We only took like 3 trades, 2 break even, and 1 was that stinking move. So it was quite tough on Goldie.
Spreads on GG are shit at the moment.
It's been bad all week.
Checked it this morning. It's been bad now.
Jesus.
Yeah, why are they getting a little bit bad? I'm gonna have to ring up IC Markets over here. Hell no.
Hell to the no.
Hell no. I should see fucking 9 or 8, not fucking 18. Or. To be fair, it doesn't really matter too much anyway now because you don't really close at 10 pips now because the zones are bigger. So if it was closing at 10 pips, then you only make 8 pips, then spread, and then, you know, the fucking commissions. It's nothing really, but the zones are much bigger, so. Okay, 50-minute close back bullish. So yeah, well done for people who are still in it. Come on, GJ. London's been so nicey this month. Finish off with a bang. How many days we got left of this month? Just this week. Oh no, we got Monday as well. Oh, I made the carbonara last night, Brian. Oh mate, it was gorgeous. It was so good. Not fucking scrambled.
No pictures. I can't see anything.
Nah, just don't you worry. There don't need to be no pictures, but it was gorgeous. There was no scrambled. I put in the pasta water just to cool it down so it doesn't fucking nuke the eggs. Don't you worry, bro. Don't you worry.
How many YouTube videos did you watch first?
Only one.
Only one.
Gordon Ramsay. Shit was bomb though. Oh, I made Caitlin's vegan one. That was decent as well. It wasn't as good, obviously. She goes to me because I gave it to hers, and then she tries a bit of mine. Like she tries because she doesn't care really about eating like the fucking oils and shit. She just doesn't want to eat meat, like actually the meat. And she goes, Max, yours tastes much better than mine. I go, yes, because I've used pancetta and you've used shitty bacon. There's a massive difference. Like I've got oils coming out my ass with all this fat on it, and you've got like fucking some B-Tech bacon. Like it's dry as shit. It's like fucking rubber.
That's it.
Did you get the coffee machine? Nah, I'm gonna wait until I move into the new gaff. But I want a coffee machine to make those coffees that I put on my story. Hell yeah. Sick of this instant now.
I wonder, when are you going to do those coffees? Before stream or after stream?
Before stream, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. and take half an hour.
How do you know, Max, Manuel? It'll be in the stream.
In the middle of the stream is what he's going to do.
Show you my concoction.
I might come to your new place and just sit in the lounge and trade from there, Max.
We could make a little trading den. I'll buy the room out for a little bit. do. Can't believe it's Wednesday.
Coffee, this is shit. I'm off to Costa for 10 minutes. Enjoy.
Yeah, there's nothing going on, Warren, I don't think.
What that? Marlock, I'll go to Costa, I'll see message. Oh yeah, gold, 50 pip drop. I'll be going.
50 pepperoni.
Oh, why did I close it on? Fuck me.
That's the worst, is when you see it just take off there and you're like, fuck.
Trying to I put GJ chart just to change the view, but it's so fucking shit that I changed back to gold.
Are you trying to Google translate what we were saying?
Yeah. It's hilarious.
Did you get that one? Did you
Yeah,
get that one?
that's what Sashin said. Treats his account like a Saturday whore. Where is that GG? Yeah, I've been having a bit of a fuckery with my magic keys recently. It doesn't let me close, which actually yesterday I wanted to put my fist through a fucking wall. Do you know? Yeah, because I was trying something and I took a buy. Where the fuck was it? It was somewhere, but anyway. It was up 10, 12 pips, and I wanted to... And then I sort of pushing it was like 16, 18, and I was trying to get the thing to fucking close like 70%. Wouldn't let me, so I was like, right, okay, I'll just close the whole thing. Runs 80 fucking pips without me.
That's
What
bad,
the
though.
fuck is this bullshit? And I did it I did it again on that gold one that we... It's supposed to break even didn't work, so... I gotta... hopefully today's a bit better, but I don't really want to try it out yet.
Change the lock.
And then the I go to modify position and I want to change the, you know, then I can close it, but it doesn't let me. It just says close position, and so I click it and it could close the whole thing. So I'm a bit annoyed about that. Oh my god, Goldie.
Yeah.
Oh.
To look at the daily, past that zone. So now it's actually hit the bodies. I still think it's gonna struggle here, to be honest with you. So much cack to the left. UK new Prime Minister question mark? Oh my god, have you seen all the memes? He sounds like Will from The In-Betweeners. He does as well. Well, I'll see if it's here, Richie Sunak. He sounds like Will from The In-Betweeners. There. I think my dad sent it to me actually. I'll look at it. Hilarious. Like, oh my god. Giveaway of actual magic keys you're using? Yeah, I'll give away my shit magic keys and get a new pair. It's on TikTok. Yeah, that's where it was. I'll try and find it. Literally just sounds just like it. It's hilarious.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, it's just so shit, man.
I know.
So fucking shit.
Yeah. Look at this.
I will serve you within
Wait.
our children and our grandchildren.
Oh god.
I pledge that I will serve you with integrity and humility, and I will work day in, day out to deliver. I will serve you with integrity.
That's great.
It actually does as well.
It does. It literally sounds like Will. What's the Coke meme in Ibiza? Which one that one is?
Oh, it's quite funny. It's him just going, I love Coke. And then,
yeah,
and there's a video of him,
Indian man. Like, I don't think it's him. I think it's an Indian man. I think it's actually him.
That would be him, like, in Ibiza.
Yeah.
Brian, I think it's time for the 8 ball.
Yeah.
What's the question? What's the question?
Will GJ give us an opportunity?
Will we get a trade this week?
Yeah.
2 break-evens.
Says yes. Says yes.
Says yes. Oh my god.
So there's chance. There's chance.
Yeah, good chance of you.
Oof.
It just loves to range and then launch.
Yeah,
much
you gotta
later.
catch the launch, that's the thing.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah, this rejection wick here is quite nice. I quite like that. The lower wick there is actually quite nice. That support as well. Stop was like 23. But it's just when it's been moving CAC all day, really, and then and then it just fucking parabolic. It's just like, oh, not worth it. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't liked it already. How to send charts, either in the YouTube chat or on Discord, sorry. I'm so pale, should I go to sunbeds or nah? If you're very pale, then probably not. To be fair, you shouldn't do them anyway. That's such a random question. Remember that time my camera thing made me look like fucking orange? It was like, look like an Oompa Loompa. Which one was it? Oh, it's that one there. Yeah.
It's still our Oompa Loompa, mate. You know what I mean?
Oompa Loompa doopy dee doo.
You're still our Oompa Loompa.
Oh, Goldie. Gold, baby, go gold, gold.
We had a beautiful entry yesterday at 9 o'clock on GJ with the Black Ted on the 15 minute.
Like around here. Yeah, that was the retest that I liked as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Just touched the trend line, maybe half a pip under the trend line, and then just rinsed.
Yeah. Oh yes. That was literally whilst I was making breakfast. So I am gluing my eyes to the screen until 3 o'clock.
It sometimes works. A lot of the time.
Yeah. And that one time if you fucking get the door for the parcel of you'll miss the fucking trade. But I'm glad I've moved the Sims. I think overall in the past couple months I've probably now will get maybe 3 or 4 more trades in the month, just because of the gap in the middle that I miss sometimes because of the Sims. So
London
maybe you'll get 3 or 4 more signals. You never know.
Mate, you've got fucking 13 this month. Just go pipe down.
87%,
boy.
I gave 11 of them.
Fucking no, you didn't. Could wish you did. I love what happened. I love what happened yesterday when fucking Sasha and Finn were in a trade. You should have recorded that. I would have fucking loved that. Just hear their voices after, like, oh well, maybe the cells won't work.
So nice.
I bet Finn's like,
I sat there. I had the fucking. I had the trade view turned off, and I was like, I'll just chill. And Finn's watching every fucking down tick, and he's saying, I don't know. And then Brian goes, I'm in buys. I'm like, fuck off.
Yeah,
just chill.
Literally took a shit in his pants.
Fuck
you.
Fuck you, man.
That gold trade yesterday as well. We just broke that fucking low. I saw it rinse back up. I was like, we're gonna get B over here. But the Comex one, that's a good thing that maybe paper trade. If it doesn't work that time, then the Comex gives it the volume to push it. It's re-entry.
Come on, London Open, push GJ, fuck's sake.
Are you in on something?
No,
Nah,
I'm
they
not.
just
I
want
closed
nothing.
gold and I'm fucking gutted. I want something now. No,
Yeah, but I
something.
don't think. Yeah, but you can't be angry. Like that gold could have fucking look at the higher time frame. I forget. You got like 80 pips out of it. That's pretty.
On GJ, we have an inverted head and shoulders on the 15 minutes.
Brother, there's like 15 majillion.
Yeah, it's fucking rainbow. Ugh.
There's a lot of candles in that head and shoulders.
Some guy's got some big fucking shoulders. He's got muscles on muscles. Holy.
Oh, you can base it on the 1 hour. Is he on the 1 hour?
Don't we need to backtest it to know the volume push, with or bias or against it? Yeah, for sure. That's what I just said. You gotta backtest it in that example. But the issue is sometimes it is, if you actually look at comics, sometimes it goes the opposite way. It's kind of hard to know which way. So you just gotta wait for the top wick first and then the flip if it gives you it. But sometimes it just makes the top wick and never reflips and just pushes. So it's just something to look at.
Just gonna keep running.
Fucking gold, my god.
Nah, it's off to the races, mate. It's gone.
Oh.
Gold heading to 1670. Yeah, boy. Flat wick. In 2 minutes. Just gonna get some kit.
Foda-se, vai-te foder, ouro do caralho. Foda-se. I'm really gutted. In one position I've had 100 pips, and the other position I would be in 86 pips. Fuck. Oh, I think I'm gonna water my flowers.
Nice.
Ooh, GJ, hello. Hello. So we'll see if we can get a little bit below, because this is a fair value gap, eh?
Yeah.
Wait. I just want to fill. So that's probably it. I'm holding 447 pips per on gold. Very nice. Very, very nice. EJ is also dumping, but the zone below EJ is a little bit shit. As it closes below 147,330. 330. Come on, Gigi, get down. Pick your direction now, boy. Pick your direction. Whoa, look at EJ. My days. Looks like it's moved a lot actually, but it's actually not that much in terms of distance.
Oh, big guy.
Oh, GJ, fucking hell.
Look at that candle. Came out of nowhere. So we'll see in the next 15 minutes. Get a closure below maybe. But rejecting the highs. But we kind of expect this. We don't, you know, it's still holding at 170 until it breaks it. It's still there.
Yeah, now the 4 hour broke the low.
Broke the current low or previous? Take a look. Oh, previous. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, the previous.
Yeah, that's good. Very good.
Yeah, makes sense. GPY goes up, USD goes down, gold goes up.
Why is DC not streaming anymore?
Probably so tired of Iron Man. You know what I mean?
It doesn't bother him anymore, I don't think.
Who's Sash? Didn't you speak to DC once?
Yeah, I chatted to him once.
Message him, ask him why is he not streaming. Maybe he's on holiday or.
Oh, me and Iron Man were having an argument, and DC messaged me and goes, "Don't worry, he's a prick." So me and him were spatting in DC stream. I was just killing him. And then DC messaged me and goes, "Don't worry, he's an idiot." It was quite funny. Oh shit, we're on YouTube, aren't we? Oh fuck.
You just dig yourself in there.
No, he gives a fuck.
I do not associate with these. Have you seen that meme? I'm not associated
with these degenerates.
No, look at this, mate.
Yeah, so there he's on a vacation. DC's on a vacation.
Vacation.
Slacker for some streamers that get to go on holiday 3, 4, 5 times a year. It's nice.
You're right, boy.
They work so hard. You know what I mean?
You're crying after 1 week.
wasn't bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, man. It's good fun.
It's just like I think with the Zoom and the Zoom chat and the YouTube chat and all that, it's quite a lot.
Yeah.
To deal with.
I've seen this fucking video. Oh my god.
Oh god.
I do not associate with niggers.
Oh my.
That's what Sashin says to Iron Man. Maybe DC went to London and started buying property since they're an Indian Prime Minister. Nice, DJ. Get your ass down, boy. Oh, no. The second I said get your ass down, it just retraced fucking 10 pips. Holding that support. So it's a big support that we've identified, but it's because our zones are perfect. Because our zones are perfect. You gotta wait for below. If it doesn't come below, there's no trade for us. Yeah, in the last sim that I'll post later on today, there was literally, I'd say, maybe a 5-day, 6-day gap of no trades. And then that last W trade was 120 pips in 5 minutes. So it comes in swings and roundabouts, man. Sometimes there's just nothing to take, and you just gotta be comfortable with that. But as long as you don't waste your bullets there and take shitty ass trades, and then when the one day comes that's amazing, you know, you still got some capital left, then you should be good. It's just if you blow it in that crappy time, because it was ranging really hard. I mean, I'll show you. How long was it got left? 4 minutes. I'll show you after. But it was pretty cack. I could actually show you on here.
Oh, my days.
What the fuck is Jason done?
Are you going away, Jess?
My bro, that was so easy there, man. Yo, man.
Did
I
you
wish
buy
all
them some
people could be
KFC?
like that.
He said it's fine, you can go.
Yeah, no, she's like, hey, man, no need to worry. So now I'm just grabbing some shit to munch on the way home.
What you just steal? ACs?
Bro, I'm not a fucking thief. What the
Thief.
That's a lie.
You know what? You know what I am? I'll fucking assault you. That's what I'll do.
Oh my god.
I got rage. That's what I am.
Oh my god.
I will assault you.
Shit, I just said that live. I retract.
That is haram.
Oh, was there nothing to give ourselves on DJ?
Yeah, there was a 30 in golf. And DT on the 5.
Can I see? That wasn't bad, eh?
30 in golf.
What was stops?
Wait, 30 engulfing? Where?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah, go check on the
Yeah.
5.
Wait,
If you see on the 5, let me zoom in. Go on the 5 again. Shit.
Just the impulse trade. That's what it was.
Nah, man, look at that
Nothing-
break below.
There's nothing
retest
interesting
I
there.
see.
There's nothing interesting
100%.
there, my brother. Just the impulse. 30-minute break below. Simple.
If you,
And
if,
if you came to the shop, what would you get that spa?
Say again?
Man, what would you buy to nibble that spa?
Rich white people food.
Yeah. That's what I
What
want.
the fuck?
I want to eat some white people shit. Some savories.
do you like jollof, Jace?
What?
Do you have jollof? Do you know what jollof is?
No.
I don't even know what the word
Fuck.
means.
What is that?
Well, like the fucking jollof rice. I swear that's like some African shit. It's like African
No,
rice.
I'm not African. I'm not African.
Jollof.
You live in Africa.
Jollof is probably a brand. Probably not a. Not
No,
a
it's
type.
Nah,
what? It's
that-
fucking jollof rice. Every fucking.
Brian, that's that
You're probably
Nigerian
thinking
food,
of
bro.
basmati or something.
Brian, that's that
no,
Nigerian
it's not.
food, man.
It's Nigerian. Yeah, it actually might be Nigerian.
I'm from South
Yeah.
Africa. We are fucking classy, bro.
West
We
Africa.
fucking seen the World Cup. Yeah. Everything. We had the World Cup here.
Yeah,
In
but you.
case forgot.
It's like tomato. It's got
Yeah,
like meat in and shit.
Yeah,
good.
but that's what I'm saying. It won't be a brand. That's a type of dish.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. I'm
Yeah.
saying, does he like jollof, eh? I've never heard of that shit.
Fucking, I love rice cakes. I
And
love rice cakes. That's what I love.
And fufu, you have fufu.
We don't eat that shit here, Max.
We do. You just don't eat that shit. Yeah, Jason.
Do you eat fufu, Brian?
Yes, bro. There's fucking lots of restaurants out here. Eh?
Check out
Yeah, I know,
pilau. Pilau is Swahili, is it? Shit. Pilau,
Yeah,
pilau.
pilau is nice. I like
Pilau,
that.
I always have pilau with my Indian. Oh. Pilau. Oh.
Come to me with that fufu shit.
Fufu is like my flatmate, because he was Nigerian. He's giving me like a takeaway with this. I don't really like the fufu, to be fair. It's like a doughy thing, like a wet dough from Ghana,
Bro.
Nigeria.
Give me a Malaysian dish and I'm there, bro.
Everyone's got to try some jollof rice. Yeah.
Oh, rejection.
We didn't want that though. Fuck's sake.
Soup the
Get out the
lows.
zone, you fucking prick.
Max, you see when you used to go to the club and you're so wasted and you want to speak to that chick. You see what you just did now.
Rejection. Let's take a look at Ben's little shot over here. Oh shit. Oh nice. Yeah, chicken little impulse. Very good. Very nice. Beautiful work. 63 likes, guys. Make sure you get the likes up, guys. Likes up for a rangy day. Get those likes up if you love a rangy day. Yes.
And you like this song?
What's her name?
When I go closer to the speaker. Yeah.
Love if he just got mugged. Someone
Yeah,
came behind him and
he's
just smashed a
He's
big bottle on his head.
Definitely driving down 8 Mile with his window down. You know.
It's Jason in the shop singing.
He's wild, bro.
He's a wild child, eh?
Nobody can do me shit here. I'm waiting for the motherfucker to come up to me. I'll fuck him up.
Next thing, see Jason on the floor with a fucking knife to his neck.
In a pool of blood.
AJ. You're a fuck.
I'm trying to find. Oh, where the fuck was it? Trying to find Jason's Instagram. I like Jason's Instagram. It's vibes. God, what it's fucking called though. Wow, look at that GJ. Damn. God dang. Well, that's a rejection for you. So it looks good to go up, really, eh? It's rejected the lows.
What makes you think that?
The 4 hour looks great to go up. Everything looks great to go up. Looks great to sit in the zone. This is time where we need to get Steve on the call, where you just buy the support, sell the resistances, and do it until it breaks. You made like fucking any entries on gold, Chris. If you asked me that, and I haven't discussed them, there is no entries.
Your hernia is going to rupture, man.
My hernia is gonna rupture. Look what I said in the chat.
He said a fucking rat.
Oh my god. Oh god. Let me just actually write this down. I think I've written down a no trade range every single day this fucking week.
Yeah.
Not playing. Check GU. Do you want me to check GU? Reasons why. Are you in a trade? Are you looking for a trade? Send me a chart. Oh, GJ. I told you. Break 170, boy. I love that. Why do people say that? Have you ever done that on someone's stream, like when you were like learning, like check something?
Well, no, never. I actually used to send a chart to Roger, but he never opened the fucking thing.
Yeah.
It's just too busy. His chat. It's gets lost.
Because check is like, well, I'm not. Well, why would I check it? I don't fucking trade it. But if you send me a chart, I'll go through it. Go on, GJ. Go on, GJ. Make the zone clean. Make it as clean as possible. Launch. People are rude, mate. Nah, it's not like it's not like people are. It's not like rude. It's not like a rude thing to say. It's just like, well, you tell me a bit more of why I should check it. Are you in a trade and you want to know, or are you just gonna show me that you're up 30 pips? Wow, great. Thank you very much. You know.
Fuck me.
Look at that rejection.
Right.
Jason.
This is your stuff, bro.
What stuff,
Get
bro?
them.
I
Let me
can't
see.
see.
Yeah? You like what you see?
Oh.
Yeah?
Who's this?
Yeah?
Nice, this man. What are you doing?
What the fuck
Like what you see?
What's that? A foot long?
Eh?
No, I don't. What is that?
What you see?
That's a rum, man. What are you doing? I'm gonna tell you why.
Mate,
Are you recording?
that guy's gonna slap him.
Yeah. Jason, stop looking at the woman.
What the fuck? You guys have like grocery stores? I thought you had to go like your little like outside hut.
Punjabi hut.
You guys actually have like supermarkets and shit.
We are a world. We are a country. Yeah? We do have amenities.
I thought you had to go in the black market to get your oranges and shit.
Stand in line for a bread and water.
I love how me and Finn just fucking rent you for that every time. What the fuck? You've got a store with windows in? I thought they'd be all smashed. What the fuck?
We've got a fucking shack.
They do get smashed. I'll send you photos of how they trash the shops, mate.
Why is that though? I can't fathom people's mentality when they do that. They're just destructive
when they do that. Stupid.
Yeah.
But they just trash the stores and they just steal from it. You know what I mean?
Madness.
I've seen videos where they break into like a butchery, a meat market. They literally drag whole cows down the street, bro, on the tar. Like, just at least put it in a bag or keep it clean. There's fucking oak dragging it down the street on the tar, bro.
Well, I mean, for that and like nicking food and stuff, I kind of get, man. If you can't afford food, then fuck, you're gonna have to do it somewhere, right? So kind of get nicking food, but then trashing the place after, bro. You just nick your food and go, bro. If GJ breaks last week's wick, it will launch. It will launch to where? That is the question. Or will it launch at all? It may just tap 170 and all the orders for the cells will come back into play. We don't know. And I am not here to test the waters. I'm happy letting this launch as much as it wants. It makes all this zone clean for cells later or buys later. Whatever it wants to do, but I am not taking these. This would be what I'd want to take back in the day, and I'd take a shitty L. Buying the highs for me is just a thing that I've just cut out. There's no point. The amount of times it rejects, then that one time 4 L's deep that you take a 10 pip win, it's fucking useless. There's no point taking the 10 pips trade in the first place. Especially when it breaks high, especially when it breaks like things. Sometimes it'll like push up 6 pips, then come back to entry, then nut down 12, and then it'll finally will break, but you're just gonna hit break even or just take the fucking drawdown, right? So I'd rather just wait for this to push up, and then I can get my little setup later on. This one
nice
here.
lovely formation.
On what?
On GJ.
What time frame? W.
Yeah, on the 1 minute.
Bottom.
On the bottom.
Oh, at the
on
bottom.
bottom.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Hey, Manuel.
I love that name, mate. Emmanuel.
That's really Spanish.
Actually, must send Manuel that video you sent me.
Oh, the TikTok one?
With the gear lever.
I think he's seen it.
Yeah, I think he has.
Proper funny.
Manuel. Yeah, there was a period where Emmanuel was fucking porn movies.
What?
Yeah, in South Africa.
Yeah, in South Africa. You'll stay up 12 o'clock to watch some Emmanuel.
Oh my god.
Midnight when everybody's asleep.
So broke the 4-hour previous high, the daily previous high, the 1-hour previous high, the 30-minute previous high. So it's broke all the highs. So let's see if it can push. Push, DJ! Make this zone as clean as possible. Launch! Here we go.
Oh my god, this thing's gonna fucking nut.
It's flying, bro. It's flying. Yeah, old scoop.
Oh, scoopy scoop.
What's the best way to learn your strategy? Because there's a few things I don't understand. I think there was a video before that we put it all together in terms of the trades, but I think I may do another video on all of them. There was a video from start to finish of how to take a trade. I'm pretty sure I did that one last week or the week before. I'll try and find it 1 second. Because the actual system is really not difficult. 1 second. There, step-by-step guide to enter a trade. That's a really good one. Showing you exactly from start to finish how we take a trade. You just got to go through all the G drive, Ryan. Oh my god, look at GJ. Fly! Fly! Make this so nice. Beautiful.
Oh my fuck. It's gone.
Fly, yes. All this clean zone for when we come back down.
Yeah, the only place I see for now is it's filling the wick on the weekly all the way to 619.
619.
Yeah, on the weekly, and that is on the 13th of December 2015.
Yeah. Look at that rejection there. Wow. Imagine catching that 1 minute there. Pooh! How big are your stops? Oh, 12 pips. What a rocket. Why not take it on the break and retest? Yeah, could do. We'll see when the 30 closes. But I'd rather just this make such a nice zone and I take it later on with NY. Because your stops here ain't gonna be tight. That is an Asian swoop lows, man. Damn.
Gold just had a bit of a weird push on the 1 minute. Broke the highs.
Look at the 15s. Are they slowing? Yeah, they're slowing in candles. That's my only cause of concern. Also with this daily zone shite. Does it hit that 4 hour? Yes, it this 4 hour res as well. Also, do you trade?
Dollar's looking weak as well, Matt. It's like that's been dropping all morning, the actual price of dollar.
Oh, is it? Is GU starting to get some traction? Is my bet with Vincent starting to look pretty good?
How long was that bet gonna last? A year?
Yeah, look at that. I'm in some profit now, boy. I mean, it did go all the way down there. I might have got margin. I might got margin called, but
your drawdown was margin.
Still got a while. Also, do you trade NY? Yes, we trade NY every single day, but not on YouTube, on Zoom. To join that, I'll put the link here. We'll do another simulation on Thursday at 2 o'clock. Another sim. And after this stream, I'm going to make the homework. I forgot to do that yesterday. Okay, GJ 30-minute closed closed bullish above. Nice. Retest on the 170 would be interesting. Where would your stops be? Yeah, good luck. Stops could be in La La Land. Stops could be in La La Land. Anyone looking to find a way? Maybe when you see some support to form, see how it goes and retest there. If it actually does, it's quite far away though, isn't it? 22 pips. It's quite far. Do you think I can make money with you? There's the win rate, you decide. Depends how big your account is. If you've got a £20 account, then you've made not too much, but if you've got a bigger one, then
Own money.
sure.
Make your own money, mother sucker.
Scared money don't make money, boy.
Exactly. I sell potatoes too, so there's many ways to make money, bro.
See what I mean though? Like we've already pushed, but we're already starting to come back to 170 already. I just feel it may not be ready. I mean, nothing's actually changed with the government yet, but it might look that Sunak's got maybe a little bit more backing. I think maybe.
I think it's good. Younger, new, modern way of thinking. Maybe get the old fossils out.
Yeah, how old is he? He's the youngest one for a while, I think.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It's good. It's maybe he's got modern thinking that he's going to bring to the table. Definitely going to rustle some feathers, that's for sure.
He says he's not. He says, which is quite good that he said everything's done like professionally. He says there'll be no fucking bullshit. I'll just kick him out. Pretty much, that's what he said. So that's good.
Love that. Love that. Time for the old fossils to go sit at home.
Yeah. If you're making rules, don't make sure you fucking keep with them, or don't make the rules.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, because why would anyone else listen to your shitty rules if you don't even fucking listen to them?
I think he's gonna do well.
And yeah, because he's already rich enough, he doesn't have much to gain. So it's kind of more about pride, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we've just been.
No, maybe. You never know. We don't know the agenda, right? How long's he been trying to get into a seat?
Fucking years, man.
Is it?
Yeah, he's always wanted to be PM for a while. Do you reckon there'll be any trades this session? I don't know. I don't think so. We'll see. But in terms of the gold buys, yeah, it was at 4 res. The 5-minute entry would have been beautiful. But 4 res there and the zone to the next TP was only 5 pips, so that's a little bit sus. But it would have worked out if you took it. Just not for us, I don't think. And the GJW on the 1 minute was tasty, eh? Would you say that closed above though? Or would you not really be asked?
Further down.
Was it?
Yeah, that's the W, but there's no retest.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, but I'm saying that this candle didn't close above the neckline.
Well, it's on it. You know what I mean? That's the part that I don't like.
Yeah. The one on the sim was, it was beautiful. This candle
The
closed
5 minute
that.
bullish engulfing for the soup was the play.
And it made back a lower wick as well, didn't it? Yeah. Oh no, it made it with that. Yeah, that's nice. How much was your stops if you just got there?
Just use the
22 pips, so you could use that. 10 pips. Yeah. May go to my 9 AM if you don't think we're gonna get anything. 9 AM lectures, oh god, you still go to them? Damn, I sacked them off in second. Well, I don't think I ever did a 9 AM to be honest with you. Apart from maybe first year to see my friends. I think I got a message from some trader in Newcastle. It's called NCL FX, so it should be someone from Newcastle, I think.
Newcastle.
Newcastle. Interesting with this goat GJ. Massive push up and then it's still starting to sit around. I really want this to just push further, to be honest with you. The more the better. Make it a clear zone. OGJ will be a beauty when 5 minute come down to 170 and make a support and then retest the highs. If it can get there, yeah. Look at gold still going.
Yeah, gold just didn't come back.
Go that quick with the 30 minutes.
Yeah. 1670. 1670. So maybe some support to form later on Goldie as well. Could be okay, maybe back at 1660. That'd be quite nice, the support forming. And then obviously the same thing with GJ really. Got on GJ 5 to 15. As it broke the 5 minute highs, it's going to continue the push. Let's actually, can we go back that far? No, I won't be able to on the 30. Yeah, I can't go back. Gold star looks better on the higher time frame. Yeah, it's starting to get past that zone, which is good for sure. She just flew past, really.
Hey, foot sack, man!
What the fuck did you say there?
Told him to fuck off.
I don't think I could be in Jason's car. I feel he's gonna be a reckless driver, man. My guy will be not thinking on the road.
Yeah, you foot sack!
Jason!
Shit, my mic.
Shit, my mic! What did he just say there?
You don't want to know.
How much time a day are you behind the screen trading? From 7 till 9, so 2 hours. And then the middle gap I'm pretty much here as well, to be honest. Well, I am now anyway, so that's... It's basically 9 till 2. Sorry, not 9 till 2, 7 till 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah, so it's 6, 7 hours. Obviously, there's little breaks in the middle, get some food and shit, but... And that's why it's good to have a good group with you, because if you're doing it by yourself, man, that shit gets boring. So you normally tend to overtrade stuff, whereas if everyone's just waiting and chilling and thinking the same thing, then it's pretty chill.
Just found Bry after a night's out. Gonna post it on Instagram, on Telegram.
Classic. 1969 Durban, South Africa.
Finn will like that.
Yeah, but he's ginger, this guy, so I'm safe.
Oh yeah, you can...
Fuck off.
Nah, it's more fin. It's more grandpa fin than that. Oh, grampy fin.
Oh, gold is still going.
My God. Steven. Do you not come off the chart at 9 for a couple hours till NY, or do you still trade? I used to, but now it's full force. It's the whole time, really.
Just getting with the program finally. You pussy.
Now, basically, what I do is now I have the chart there, GJ and gold on both sides, and then I do my yoga in front, then I do my touch typing, then I do my 30 minutes reading.
Organized, eh?
Boy.
You bought that vacuum cleaner yet, or are you waiting for the new spot?
Waiting for the new spot. Not doing this shithole.
You spend another 30 grand when you move in there.
Well, I'm going to try and save every penny that I've got until then. But to be honest with you, when I take a withdrawal out of this month, then I've got some money to spend again. So like 22%, I'll probably take out 6%, leave the rest in.
Just be careful, there's still 2 months there.
Yeah, 2 months of another some more gains is good. You're a full-time trader? Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately.
Come on, GJ, push. I love that thing as well. I love that thing as well. I was like, oh, if you do trading, you got so much time on your hands. Not when you're sitting in the charts 7 hours a day.
Yeah, it's a full-time job. It is a full-time job. People think it's easy.
Well, it's because they're like, oh, you could be a swing trader, but...
Yo, Brian. Holy shit. My man, yeah, some action now, yeah, that's bro. And then he swears at me. And I'm like, hey, fuck you, man. You know? Like, I need to give you weight. And he cussed at me. And I'm like, I stopped, and I tell him, what the fuck is your problem? I ask him. And I don't know what he said. And I just go under my seat and I take out my dagger. And I tell him, what you want to do, motherfucker?
Oh my God.
Two cars stopped there. I was fucking scared of motherfucker in the neck, bro.
I have a very good idea for a business for you, but I want to cut. You know what it is? You put a camera in the corner of your car, and you film it when you drive.
Yeah, in South Africa, carpool.
Oh my God! End of the day, you edit the movie, you edit the films, TikTok, Instagram.
Yeah, carpool karaoke. Fucking road rage, Jason's road rage.
And I don't want to go. The thing is, I don't want to be known and seen and things like that, man. I'm very discreet.
Very discreet. 350 people are watching know about Jason right now.
Yeah, but they don't know who the fuck. Out of all that people, they don't know who the fuck I am. Only Brian does.
Only Brian.
Yeah, for real. So fuck you.
Discreet. He's just quiet in the back.
I'm literally under the radar. Nobody knows who the fuck I am. Listen, I'm gonna send you a picture of this dagger now, Brian. Like,
this what? Dagger? Do you say dagger?
Yeah, Jason's got like a 9-foot knife in the back of his car just in case somebody causes grief with him.
Oh my God, Jason just fucking gonna make machete.
Yeah,
nah,
machete.
I can't carry my gun because it's illegal. Cops will lock me up.
Dude, I wake up early and watch your streams just to hear Jason lol. Oh my God, gold!
Oh my God.
My days. Gold is flying. But the zone below now, look how clean this is. So Maybe later on when it makes some res or here, wherever, and actually price rejects, then closure below, like maybe here would be nice to continue back down.
140 pips it would be from the black cat entry.
Oh. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, GJ struggling, eh? Come on, boy. You wanted a nut. Some people have definitely just got in on like the 15-minute flips and stuff, and they're just holding this. Like, come on, push. Yeah, it's just this area that gold's been on in terms of just price action. Can you see what we talked about in the weekly outlook? I said buys of 1680, 1670, 1680 are going to be beautiful. But this level like here to there might be a little bit trouble. I mean, it hasn't been so far, to be honest, but there's quite a lot of res there. Old me would try getting in on the latest 15 minute, hoping it'd still go up. Yeah, 100%. I think a lot of people would as well. Like this one here. And sometimes it works and sometimes it won't, but if you just do it 1,000 times, is it worth it? When I backtested it, it's just... it's playing with fire. Especially when, obviously, sells are more powerful anyway in general. You know, if you find a resistance, it will happily just nut, like, pretty quickly. And you know, you can't even manage risk well. And for the buys, what will happen is it normally like trickles up a little bit, and it might hit you 10 pips, be like, no, I want it to push, and then it comes back to break even, whereas the sells will happily just rinse 18 pips down. So normally your winners are smaller than your losers anyway, because you're just like, I'll get 10 and close, because it's just, you know, I just want to take my money. So it's not even a good R either. Best to wait for the zone to be made. So like, for example, let's just see it just runs to like here in the next couple hours, like there. And then now you've got zone 1, zone 2. Wait for zone 2 to make some support, and then you've got this whole zone to now play to come back to the highs. It's just much easier. It's much safer. Yes, it's more boring when it pushes up because you don't have any trades, but who cares, man? It's all about the money. Above 1672 looks clean on the hourly. Does it? It's actually coming towards an OB, by the way, guys. Do you see that one?
Yeah, on the hourly.
Yeah. This one here. Can we minimize it? Is there any way to minimize it?
30 minutes.
Let's take a look.
30 minutes, let's see if you bet.
So it'd be the candle before, so it'd be this one here. That's minimized it a little bit to look at the 15.
As well.
Not too bad, eh?
No.
How far are we to it? Not too far. How big would the stops be? Oh! 70 pips. Fuck. That was 20 or 30, man. I think we'd probably go for that, eh? 70 pips. Fuck. That's big, eh?
Very big.
Yeah, it's a bit too big.
I've got that whole candle on the hourly, the wick, 2 wick.
Yeah. Wait, what? The same as me or different?
Yours looks like it's on the body.
Now wick to wick. This is on the 30, sorry. Hourly, I've reduced it, but the hourly one would be from there to there, right?
Yeah, but yeah, so you gotta do that first box
No,
correctly.
but I did, and then I
get you, I understand.
Then I went to 30, and then I went to 15.
You might just tap that hourly, then you miss the trade. You know what I mean?
100%, yeah. But would you run that fucking? How big's that stop on the hourly then?
No. Obviously, the risk is too big, so I can't reduce it any more than that. So I probably wouldn't take it.
Yeah, 90 pips. 90 pepperoonies. So in terms of first week in November, 3rd to the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 wins in the first week. The week after.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 loss, 3 wins. Week after that. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. 4 wins, 1 loss. And then waiting a little bit longer over here for this week so far. But you know, you can't think every single week to be the same as, you know, maybe this one. Especially with the markets you've got right now. So break evens is happily beautiful. Especially this one here went to 9 pips, this one here went to 7, so pretty much both of them 0 drawdown really. So you can't really complain. Good rejection on GJ. It's a hard one, man. Old me would have gotten in, new me still gets in, but new me at least knows I shouldn't. Well, that's good then. That's progress, eh? You're still getting in, which is the next thing you gotta change, but at least you know it's bad now. Say, guy. Oh god.
He's a fucking best there. Fuck.
He's always on one.
Yeah.
Ryan, did you take Don's trade yesterday? Nice little goalie
Of course
trade.
he did.
Get some nice profits there.
Yeah, I held and then didn't take partials and then came back to break even and lost it all.
Oh my god.
When you're going for a haircut, Lionel Richie?
Today.
Jeez.
Today. I've actually, this whole week, I haven't used shampoo. I've used just water instead, and actually my curls are much better now. So actually, I think I've been washing my hair with shampoo way too much for the past fucking 4 years.
Probably been using some vegan soap.
I've just been washing my hair too much, man. It's not good. So I've been trying to... I've got issues in the back of my head, and I actually think it might be to do with...
That's no fucking lie.
Shampoo too much.
Oh, skin condition. I thought
Yeah. Not my brain. And I felt a difference. Like, it feels much nicer. It feels decent. Not putting it with all this fucking chemicals every day. So.
The skinny dip now, Brian.
You should try aloe vera, Max.
Yeah, aloe vera, 100%.
Yeah, but pure aloe vera. So you could buy the cactus, and then you cut the leaf, open the leaf, and take the gel, and then just spread it through your hands and put it in your hair. Let it be for about 2-3 hours, and then just wash it out with water.
Just cool, isn't it?
Tie a ponytail then after our soft
because I got last year I got a hole in the back of my head, like a golf ball, no hair at all, like Brian. And I went to the haircutter, and he told Manel, I'm not going to cut the hair in the back because you have a big hole. And I said, oh, fuck it, I'll put aloe vera. Next month, I went to him, and he could not find where the fuck the hole was. And I only added aloe vera for an entire month.
Really?
Fuck, I've actually got a chance. I could start using it now. Should have hair like in 10 years.
No, aloe vera is very, 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 very good. So you should try it, Max.
I burnt my calf muscle on a motorbike exhaust.
Oh.
And I used aloe vera like gel, but they had medicinal stuff in it as well from the pharmacy. And I took that whole scar away in like a year and a half. Like not a sign that I was burnt.
Yeah.
Look at that 50-minute salary play.
Well, I don't have hair, so what can I use for my head?
Dubbin to polish it.
Your fucking ballsack hair, stick it on.
Ballsack. Mate, when God is handing out pubes, you were on your knees, mate.
I actually want to grow my hair out a little bit longer on the top. I'm just going to get the side shave and I want to get a proper afro.
Do a man bun.
A man... I can't have a man bun. Have you not... Obviously, you haven't fucking seen my hair, Jesus Christ. My hair is close to, pretty much an afro.
Yeah, I can see.
It's way... I cannot fucking... Man buns are done with like people with straight hair and shit.
No, but get like a relaxant, hair relaxant. You'll be able to have a man bun for a few days.
That's true. Might get some curl cream, make it more curly, because I don't like my curls on it. Mate, my hair's fucking already curly. A double perm with like noodles.
That shit really fucking curly, boy. I'm gonna send you a fro comb. You can stick in the back.
Wait, what does Heinz say here? Max, that box you drew, isn't there a doji interruption count that can or should be used instead of it? Or is it that too small? Wait, where's this? What's this for?
That 1H probably 30 minute.
Oh, the OB?
Yeah, let's see if there's a doji 5 minute inside there. Let's have a look. Maybe he's onto something. It's tested high and second candle afterwards went straight up.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah. But good shot though. Pretty there. Very nice. Yeah, GJ's struggling. Fuck. I really wanted this to not fly still. The good thing is it's holding it. It's holding it above 170 now, whereas before it just taps it and retraces straight away. So it's actually holding above 170. Bearish engulfing on the 5 minute on GJ. What, where? That one there? It's looking like a W pattern.
Oh, bearish engulfing, but it's support.
Yeah. So yeah, I think 9 o'clock now. Obviously, there's been some big moves, but in terms of entries and stuff, it's a little bit sus. Goldie's blasted through all of the resistances, which is nice. So yeah, what I gotta wait for now on Goldie is either to come to this level, maybe take some sells if people are ballsy enough with a big stop, or wait for some support to form, which is what I'm probably gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle for this chart to do something like this. Can you see that we've broken up in this candle here? Next, I'm gonna wait for some bearish candles like this to come down to make some support. I said either 1660, but it might even be higher now, maybe 1666, and then to maybe continue back to the highs. Okay, that's what I'm wanting on Goldie, and the same thing on GJ. To be honest with you, unless we close back below the zone, might have to sell it back in the zone, eh?
I think so.
Yeah. So
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. So in the next couple hours or so, make sure to be vocal in the chat. I'll be here as well. I might be fucking do my yoga stretches though, but I'll keep.
I'm gonna take the dog for a walk.
Yeah. But I think it might. This Goldie. Oh, sorry, this GJ 50-minute bearish engulf top wick. He's got to go back and retest 170. I just think the closure back in the zone would be nice, because the closure back in the zone, even though it was shady here, we've got all this clean candle now, so this could give it a nice little move.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's quite a hard session. Been a hard week in terms of just taking trades. But that's the process of trading, man. Get what you're given. So, thank you very much for coming on, guys. Come back at 12. See you guys later.
See you later, Matt.
See you later, guys.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, simulation sessions, webinars, all included, and you also get all of the signals we trade. So far, the signals this month: 13 wins, 2 losses, around about 16%. So if you can afford £50 a month with this, also all the education, all the NY zooms, Zoom access for the London session as well. Also, you get homework. Homework's coming out today, so if you join today, you might get some homework to do. Then make sure to come and join. I'll put the link here. Over 130 people, I think, now are in the group, and like 90% people stay. So yeah, make sure to come and join, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos.